everyone, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to add numbers or values in Excel in the basic way. There are more advanced ways on how you can sum up data, so this is the simplest of all for the purpose of beginners or someone who just started learning Excel. So let's get started. So I have score of students in the subjects of maths and physics subjects. So we are going to find the total score in this particular column. So to begin, we shall first add the total score of Paul in this particular cell. So the first thing you need to do is to select or put your cursor where you want to find your totals. Then press equal sign on your keyboard. Then go to the first cell that contains the value that you need to add and click on it. Then press plus sign on your keyboard, then go to the next value, okay, that you need to add and click on it. Then once you're done, press enter on your keyboard. So there you go. You can see we have the total score of Paul. So to get the total score of the other students, you don't need to repeat the process. What you need to do, select this cell, then on the lower right edge, put your cursor there and drag to get the total score of other students. So you can see we have the totals. Alternatively, what you can do, again, select the cell, then at the lower right edge, put your cursor there and then double click to autofill and get the total score of other students. So it's as easy as that, and this marks the end of our today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, kindly subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below, like, and see you in our next video. Bye.